Alright, side by side trail mafia. Just got done doing my little walkthrough video on the YXZ. I had mentioned that we got that EMP windshield. I'm going to get this thing installed today. Probably going to struggle quite a bit because never installed one before. But I did a little unboxing here. So I opted to go with the manual windshield wiper. I just don't think I'm going to have the room to put the powered one in there, so I went with the manual. So we got a seal. Got to figure out where that goes. I believe it's going to go at the bottom right here. That's plastic. These vents right here. This right side. They go right here. Probably installed them before because they might be over a pain to get in and out. I might not because I believe this one's just pretty heavy and I don't want to drop it. So I might try to keep as much weight off it. Of course, when you spend any type of money, you gotta get that EMP sticker. You got some koozies. So we got all of our clamps right here. These just 4 clamps, 2 on each side. These clamp onto your roll cage, and then these go in to lock the windshield down. It's fairly simple setup, I believe. No instructions came with it, so they must think it's fairly simple. So I'm gonna go about struggling with this thing and seeing what we can do. Probably gonna hold off on putting the windshield wiper on. I might put the arm on before I put it on, and then go from there. These 2 clamps, unfortunately, I cannot use. These are meant to go up the top there. You see the 2 little holes. These go up there to support it against the top of the roll cage. I don't think I'm gonna be able to use these because you can see the 3 slots at the top. Those 3 slots come up here and they lock in right here. So my issue is that I don't think I can fit it there because you can see this is my old one. I actually left them on there from it. The mirror, it's just really tight. I don't think I'm gonna be able to get these on because I believe they gotta go like that. I might be able to fit them. I'll try. If nothing else, then maybe it'll keep the chatter down. So I'll put these on. I'll get the other clamps loosely installed on the side here, and then I'll be back with you. Alright, so got it all set up. I am gonna try to run them if possible. Got my vents in, started putting my windshield washer and wiper in, and got the punch out 2 holes here for my windshield washer. Maybe more. Got the clamps loosely installed on the machine so I can move them around as needed. So I'm gonna get to lifting this thing up. Probably put you guys on a tripod so you can watch me struggle and get it put on the machine. So, alright, back in a second. Alright, so I had to take the mirror out and a couple brackets on the inside to get this on there. This is actually my second attempt. First one didn't go very well. Alright, well, it's pretty well good. I'm gonna button it up, get the windshield wiper on, and we'll come back here in a second. Alright, well, got it installed. Works pretty good, covers a lot of the windshield. This thing looks really good on this. This clamps are a bit of a struggle finding out where to put them. I mean, it's a lot easier. Do this by yourself and your struggle like I did. If you have an extra person, you're not. So just keep that in mind. I'd recommend it you have to. I ended up changing out the wiper arm for the one off my old windshield because right here, the EMP one is so small that the windshield wiper literally hit like not even halfway across, so you'd have to definitely have two. So I put this, my old one on. You can see it's about I'd say 4 or 5 inches longer, and it gives me a pretty broad sweep. It allows me to do most of the wiper or the windshield, so less time cleaning. You can see right there. So I'm going to be getting a good bit. The old windshield wiper was around a 13-inch wiper. This is now running a 16, so to keep that in mind when I look for one. Definitely going to be getting a silicone blade in the future. I knocked out the holes for the windshield wipers, or washers I mean, not wipers, and found out that my washer nozzles are too shallow. I have to either space these out with washers, or I'm going to have to get ones that are a little bit longer. So that's a project for another day. I just wanted to get this on before I go for this ride and make sure everything was good with it, because it's probably the last time I really work on this thing before Hatfield, other than a couple storage things I got coming up. So I'm gonna get the mirror put back in, but I'm gonna leave you guys off right here. So that being said, guys, got the YXZ all cleaned up, looking nice and pretty. The walkthrough video on how this thing is should be up on the channel before this one, but if it doesn't, it will be coming up. I filmed them both today at the same time. Got her all cleaned up, ready to go. We're gonna go out for a ride tomorrow, so there should be some riding videos coming up next week if I can't get them all edited in time. So keep an eye out for them. But anyway, have a good day. See you guys later.